that colorful.
Is it the mouse or not a hatcher?
I don't know. Can't tell.
Quite cute.
How did you see that?
Right? She's looking at us too.
How do you know it's a she?
Well, it's grayish, right? It's not colorful.
No, any bird can be any color. Males can be non-colorful, females can be non-colorful. Quite a few birds that can be non-colorful.
I thought you normally say that the males are more colorful, right?
Yeah, but some males, that's how they
What's
are.
the oh? Where did she go?
How are you saying she?
Naga.